Hey guys, this is Hetu and welcome back to etlqalabs. In this session, we will look at outer join. So this is the last join that we are looking into SQL, outer join, and before that we have looked at already inner join, self join, natural join, and cross or Cartesian product, right? So all of the other type of join we have already looked at, and this is the last one. So within outer join we have three different kind of join. One is the left outer join, and then second one right outer join, and then last one is the full outer join. Okay, so don't worry about all this different kind of join. It is very simple. So let's try to understand the concept first, and then after that we will try to see the example also. Then it will be very clear for you. So guys, don't worry about this fancy words. Okay, outer join and all those things. It is very easy. I will try to um, explain in very easy language so that you can understand. Okay. So let's try. Okay, guys. So what is outer join? Outer join is basically it is set of yes, it is basically set of matched row plus unmatched row from one or more the table. So this is basically output of matched row. So let's try to see what does it mean when I say matched row, right? So matched row is basically nothing but equijoin, guys. Okay. So matched row is basically which all the records are matching together, that is called the matched row, right? So you see that 10 is matching with here and 20 is matching with this and 10 is matching with this. So if I see the output of this equijoin, what will happen? I will get 1001 Akash 10 10 and IT. Again 1002 Mahesh 20 20 and finance. Then 1003 Thomas 10 10 and IT. So I will essentially get only three records as part of matching rows, right? Now, this is very clear because we have already discussed this in previous session when we were discussing about inner join or equijoin. Now, this is a bit, that we need to understand, okay? So, what is unmatched rows from one or more table? Okay, guys. So, it can be, unmatched rows from one table or both the tables together, right? So let's try to understand unmatched. What does it mean by unmatched row, right? So in this one, we have looked at only matched one, guys. See, these are matched one, whatever matching. Now, what is unmatched one? And let's say if I want the unmatched row from employee table, okay, employee table, then essentially this one and this one are unmatched. Okay, so these are the two, I mean basically this row and this row, these two rows are basically unmatched row. Okay, so this will again depends, what kind of join we are using. If we are using left outer join, then probably we will take these two. So unmatched row from one or more table. Okay, other one can be unmatched row from this table also. So what is the unmatched row from this table? Basically this one and this one, because there is no matching key in the department department number from in the employee table, right? So we do not have 30 40 50 here, right? So these are the unmatched row from the right table, or I will say department table, guys. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, so now let's try to understand, what is the output that we will get when I say left outer join, what is left outer join and right outer join. But guys, this is very important. You will always get matched record, which is nothing but, this is equijoin, and then unmatched row from one or more table. That will depend. Okay, in full outer join we will get unmatched row from both the tables, right? That's why I have written here, yeah, from one or more table. Okay, so let's try to understand. Okay, so guys, when I say here, right, one second. Okay. So let's try to understand left after join. So what will be the output of left after join, guys? So simple, right? Matched row. We are getting matched row, right? So these three rows. And then left outer join means if I consider this one as a left table, okay, left table, and this is as a right table, okay. We'll see that how do we consider left or right. But for example, now you understand that this is left table, this is right table. So in left outer join, what we do, we get all the matching rows. Okay, this is always true. This is always considered in any kind of join. So matched row is always there anyway. Only difference is the unmatched row from one or more table, right? So unmatched row from If left join, then unmatched row from the left table will be displayed, and corresponding. Okay, and if there is no matching in the right side, in this case, for this record and this record, both are not matching into this, right? So the department number and department name in this particular table, when I say display, it will be displayed as null, okay? Because there is no joining. So how it will be, guys, it will be, let's say I just want to display uh, all the columns, okay, from employee and department table. So I have to display, let's say, all these three and these two columns, okay. So my output in the left outer join, what will be the output? It will be matched row. So it will be 1001 Akash 10 10 IT, 1002 Mahesh 20 20 finance, 1003 Thomas 10 10 IT. Okay, this is matched one. Now unmatched one, what it will be? It will be 1004 Nagesh 80, and there is no matching here, guys. Then it will be against the department number and department name. It will be null and null, which means it will not be displayed. Yeah. Now 1005 Arif 90, and then again there is no matching in the right table, then it will be null and null. Okay, we will see that how it works, guys, but then for now you understand. So left outer join, essentially all the matching rows from both the tables and unmatched row from the left table will be displayed, and uh, unmatched row from the left table will be displayed, and uh, the right hand side means the column in the right table which are not matching will be displayed as null. Okay, this is the simple definition. Now guys, what is right outer join? Okay, right outer join, for example, it is very similar. Okay, now if I have considered these two tables, so let's go here. Okay, I will consider it here. Okay, what will happen? Again, we will consider the matching rows. So matching will be this. These three will be there always. Matching row from both the table and unmatched row from one of the table. So in this case, right table is this, right? This is right and this is left. So right table, all the rows which are not matching will be displayed from the right, and left hand side it will be displayed as null if they are not matching, right? So what will be the output? Output will be 1001 Akash 10, again 10 and IT, 1002 Mahesh 20 20 finance, 1003 Thomas 10 and IT. This is the matched one. For unmatched, as I said, in right outer join, since these are the additional row, okay, this and this three will be displayed. Okay, so first matching is already done. Now unmatched record. Okay, so right hand side everything will be displayed. So here will be in the right hand side 30 sales, 40 marketing, 50, and then corresponding, and for this column side, employee number, employee name, department number, it will be all null, 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 null. Okay, so this is how it will be displayed. I will show you how it works. Okay, and then what is output in full outer join, guys? So in full outer join, what will happen? Again, this will be matching. Matching will always be displayed, and then unmatched record will be displayed like this, and then corresponding department number and department name from this table. Since there is no matching, it will be displayed as null, null. Again, now what will happen is from right hand side table also, you know, there are three unmatching, right? So this one, this one, this one, 30, 40, 50. So this will also be displayed from the right table, but the corresponding left hand side, the columns like employee number, employee name, and department number, they will be displayed as null. So let's try to see that what do I mean when I say null and all, right? So I think you got little bit of understanding, guys. Okay. Okay, let me just go there, I think. Okay, let's go directly to SQL, right? I have two tables already. Okay. EMP. Okay. And then I have DPT. All right. So guys, you see that I have intentionally taken some of the, So I have taken, department number, D underscore department number in department table and E underscore department because both this table, I just want to distinguish it. I don't want to keep the same name, guys. Okay. Because I don't want to use alias and all. So that's the reason. Okay. So let's try to run first left outer join and we will see output. Okay. So if I say what is the output of the left outer join, let's say I am putting the left outer join and left table I am considering as employee table. Okay. So let's say select star from EMP left outer join DPT because guys see wherever I say left outer, okay. So if I say left outer join, so before this keyword is used, right? This keyword left outer join, whatever table is coming in the left before that, right? This will be called as the left table, and whatever table is considered after, this keyword left outer join keyword, this will be right keyword by default. Okay, this is what the convention that we understand and we use it, right? Oracle understand the same way. Okay, so which means in this case, employee is the left table and department is the right table. Now I will use so it is very similar to the same table. Instead of inner join, we are using left outer join, guys. Okay, and condition we are going to use the same. So here we are not going to use alias etc. because we have the distinct, what you say, the column name. So it will not have any confusion. Okay, so D underscore department number. Okay, let's run it. Alright, guys, one second. So see, guys, what is happening here is I am taking employee number, employee name, and department number from employee. Okay, from this one. What I said before, it will consider all the matching rows first. Okay, so what are the matching rows? Basically, 10, 20, 10. Okay, these are the three. Okay, here also 10, okay, 30 also. 10, 20, 30. So we have actually how many? 4 record here in the left hand side. So it will be matching here accordingly. So we will get basically 4 records. Okay, for 10. For 10 there are 2 matching, right? Here for 10, right? Finance, here there are 2. So 4 basically will be matching. 10 will be match. 20 will be matching, 10 again will be matching, and 30 will also match from here, right? So matching will be only 4 records. Okay, this is the matching. This is part of our equijoin that I told, right? Now, what did I say when I say left outer join? The left table, whatever is not matching will come as it is. Okay, so whatever is not matching, so this two rows are not matching. So it will come like 1004 Thomas and we have 40. Again 1005 Alan and 50. So you see that they are coming here. And what is interesting here, right? So I said whatever is not matching in the right table, which means the department table in this case, right table, right? So whatever is not matching in the right table, so these are not matching, right? Because 50 and 40 are not there in this particular table, right? Because we have only 10, 20 and 90 is there, which is anyways not matching. In that case, they will be displayed as null. So this column, right? So department number in the department table and department name, these columns will be displayed as null and null. Again null and null for 40 and 50 both, right? So this is how it works, guys. Okay, left outer join. Now if I say right outer join, guys, similarly same query I will use it. Instead of left, I will say right outer join. Okay, very simple. Now what will happen is when I say right outer join here, this will be the right table and this will be the left table, correct? I mean basically the right table. So in the right outer join, okay, now you understand like this. Right outer join, in the right table, whatever is there in the right table, everything will be displayed from the right table. First matching rows will be displayed. So this will be displayed, okay? These 4 records will be displayed because they are always matching. And then what is not matching? This is not matching in this case because 10, 20, 30, these are matching. And here we have 4 records. So 4 basically records we will get as part of matching. And right table is this. So we are actually getting 90 pre-sales. So we will get here 90 and pre-sales and here it will be null, null, null. Okay. So we will essentially get 5 record, 4 matching and 1 from the non-matching. But here it will be null because in the left table it is not matching. So left table's column will be displayed as what? Displays, sorry, one second guys. Okay, so displayed as null. Okay, let's say, right. You see guys, I said right. So we got the four matched record from both the tables. Those are always there part of equijoin. And when I say right outer join, in right table, I have got only one single record which is not matching from the, which is 90 pre-sales and 90 pre-sales. And now the corresponding column in the left table will be null like this, null, null. You are not able to see, which means they are null basically, right? So this, so we are getting actually this total 5 record. Okay. Now guys, I think it is very easy to guess what is the output of full outer join. Okay. So full outer join, as I said that matching rows plus output of left outer join plus output of right outer join, which is unmatched one basically, right? So what will happen is we will get the matching one. So what is matching one? We will get this 4 first. Okay. This 4 will always come matching one. And then we will get this also 90 pre-sales, null, 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 90 pre-sales. And then from left outer join, what is that? So, okay, one second. So from left outer join, guys, what we will get is the non-matching from the left outer join, right? So non-matching is 1000, 1005, 1004 and 50, 40, and there is no matching here, null, null, right? So this will be the output plus this record. Okay. So what I will get is I will get 4 plus 2 plus 1, 8 basically. Okay. Let's try to see if it is right. Okay. So I will say here instead of right, I will say just full. Very simple guys, right? Syntax wise. Now see. These are matching records from both the tables, part of equijoin. This is from the left outer join, specifically non-matching. So the records which are there in the left table, but there is no matching in the right table. So these are displayed as this, and the right table null, 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 null. Okay. And right outer join, we have got this extra rows which is not matching from the left table. So this is part of right outer join. And then there is null, null, null for this particular employee number, employee name, and department number in the employee table. Okay. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3. And guys, this is 4. So 7 records basically. All right. So you see 7 records selected. So I think, hope you are able to understand this. I think this is easiest one, guys. Okay. Just try to understand that very simple thing. Okay. And now again, I will tell you one more trick over here. Okay. So if uh, let's say I have, okay, let me try to run. Okay. Okay. Take this. This is left outer join. Okay. This is left outer join because from the left table we are getting these two extra and the right hand side. So they are getting displayed, and right hand side it is null because they are not matching. Now if I say same query, if I say here instead of EMP, if I say DPT here, and then I will just change the order. Okay. Order of the table. EMP. What will happen is everything from the left table will be displayed, and only matching from the right will be displayed from the right hand table. Otherwise it will be null which are not matching, right? So this is nothing but this is outer join, guys. Okay. This is right outer join basically what we have written. Okay. So let's try to see that. Okay. Did you see that? One second. Did you see, guys? This is kind of outer join, right outer join, correct? Because okay, we have only changed the sequence, right? Sequence of the column. So we have in right outer join, what we were getting is we were getting 90 pre-sales, and then only thing order was changed, right? So employee tables column were displayed before, and here actually since we are taking it in the left table, that's why left tables records, I mean columns are displaying before. first, right? So you can just change the sequence of this table, maybe table, then it will be other way around. Left will be right and right will be left join, right? So this is very simple. Okay, now one of the interview question that people can ask you, that if I need to find out all the employee, irrespective of whether they are matching to the department, they are having any department matching or not. And so what we will use is we will use obviously the left outer join, guys, right? So this kind of question also you can expect. I mean, they will not ask you directly that tell me about left outer join, etc. But they can simply ask you, I want all the record irrespective of matching or not matching, based on the key, right? In that case, we have to go for the outer join, guys. Okay. So this is what I tried to explain you. Okay. And if you still have some confusion, guys, please watch this video 2 or 3 times. I'm sure you will be able to understand. And if you still have any doubt or question, do comment on the comment box. I will I'll help you clarify. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And one more request, guys, if you have not subscribed this channel, please go and subscribe it. I'm going to put lot of amazing videos on various topics, right? So just uh, watch it, share with your friends, and until I'll see you soon with the next video. Until then, happy learning. God bless you guys. Thank you.